Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are well. I hire some people to do my new building. While the work was going on to build the septic tank, it started to rain in torrents. Cement sand mixture is destroyed by the rain. Therefore, I use a water pump to drain the water accumulated inside the tank. I took the initiative to make a small reserve tank for valve-less use of the pump. It is a 1 horsepower water pump. It is water inlet, and it is water outlet. Attached the T-fitting to the outlet. One outlet became 2 after adding T. One will have a tap and the other water will come out. Notice very well how I did complete settings with this tap. I made a 2-liter plastic bottle as a reserve tank. Inlet piped water into the house. Attach the bottle properly with the tap. I filled the bottle with water. I switched the motor. The tap is turned on and the water from the small reserve tank is introduced into the head of the motor. The small reserve tank was filled with murky water due to the water flow at the inlet. Now push off position the tap. Now the water pump will run properly. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment if necessary. Good luck.